your team, fighting with other team members, and fission, fusion. Then the defaulter list comes and then you take a sheet like, sir, ma'am, मैं तो fission में काम कर रहा था, fission में काम कर रहा था, तो मुझे तो attendance दे दो and all. So, all this we'll be missing so much, and this is like so important for us. All these years, these 4 years won't come again, and that's what we realized is so important. And also we'll be missing our branch because we've got Mane sir as our HOD, who's also been a father figure to us. We've got professors. We've got professors like BC ma'am, Prachi ma'am, Khotre sir, Kulkarni sir, like so many. They've been strict in class sometimes, but outside, with respect to term work and also vivas, and they've been very cool and like friends. So we've never had problems being in telecom, thankfully. And it's like the best branch, as far as I feel, is telecom. We've enjoyed being in telecom. So all TET wants to say is thank you. Thank you for being our seniors. Thank you for giving so much to this branch, to this college. And all the best for your future. Enjoy. I would request any of our professors to please come and speak a few words for BET. Okay, BC ma'am's demand is somebody from BET coming and speaking. Sundar! Spokesperson of BET, please.
Firstly, thank you staff members and TE Telecom. This has been a wonderful experience being in this college. I usually represent BE Telecom, but for once I would like others to come up and really talk. First of all, we would like Umar Mansuri to come and say a few words. He's been a king.
Round of applause, please. Round of applause.
Right, good evening everybody. Right, कॉलेज में 4 साल में बहुत मजा किया है. और ऐसा भी नहीं था कि सिर्फ क्लास में मजा, क्लास में कभी जल्दी थे ही नहीं, जो भी मजा किया ग्राउंड के नीचे ही किया. और एक बात हमेशा से कहनी थी कि भले आपके लेक्चर नहीं बैठे टीचर्स जितने भी है, लेकिन हमेशा से आपकी इज्जत जरूर कर देंगे. और ऐसा भी नहीं था कि मैम लेक्चर में या कुछ मज़ा नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन आप लोग लेक्चर में मजाक मस्ती करने देते नहीं थे. लेक्चर में इतना थोड़ा पक्का था. और सर ग्राउंड में बहुत मज़ा किया है. सर खाली बुरा लगा आप आके पकड़ते थे बालों में. मतलब डिसिप्लिन होनी चाहिए, लेकिन अभी खेलने को टी वाले का बहुत मज़ा आता था. एंड ओवरऑल इट वॉज क्वाइट फन. एंड कुशल सरकार, दिस इज फॉर यू. I might not be the best football player in our college, but I can tell you right now, I have the best football team in my class. कोई भी हो मेरी क्लास, मुझे इतना गारंटी है क्रिकेट, वॉलीबॉल, फुटबॉल कोई भी गेम हो, हमारी क्लास वाले एनी टाइम पूरी कॉलेज से आ गए और कभी भी किसको भी पैसे वाली मैच में हरा सकते हो. राइट, तो 3 cheers for BET.
I think second in the list would be Nakul Mate. As far as Nakul is concerned, he's always been in sports. But although in class, kabhi, but still, he'll come.
Good evening, everybody. Okay, I agree to the point that I've never been in class, and like the final year for me was almost 0% attendance. And I'll be the last person like you'll ever find as a mentor, like Sundar says, or I've always been on the ground. And thanks to my professors that I shall make it clear one this that I've never been in defaulters list. Sorry for this, but nobody should follow my example. And no, there was no setting as such. And I'll always suggest you guys to please sit for lectures. As well as participate in sports. Because as Umar said, like nobody can defeat us in football. And it was your good luck that we didn't have basketball in our college. And I'd really like to thank all my professors for whatever they've given me. And today, with all these professors, I'm gonna miss one professor of mine, Mr. Suhas Bise, who has been my guide and my everything. And I'm really missing him today because he's done a lot for me. And the day he left our college, the only thing I said was like he's never taught me anything. He's never taken any subject for me, but still he had helped me a lot with whatever he has done. Like, it's really shaped my career, and I should really thank him. And Manya sir, I've respected him a lot. Like I'm still scared of him. Like whenever he comes in front of me, I'm really scared. I can't talk to him. The only person after my dad whom I'm scared of is Mane sir, because I really can't face him. I can't talk to him directly on face. Like I'll have to look down and then talk to him. Suvarna man. Suvarna we said. Man. Suvarna Bise ma'am, the lectures that I've sat most is of Suvarna Bise ma'am. And those are the lectures that I really understood, and those were the lectures which I ever sat. So, and then Shubhangi ma'am, sorry. No, I never sat for DTSP lectures. But, like forget the lectures. That's it, man. I can talk more, sorry, thanks. I forgot one thing to say, like, I've attended college for 5 years, day in, day out, and I've come to college more than the watchman has come.